So when your hard drive is showing not no driver available on this width, let me just show you here. Start up. So you put a new M2 drive SSD. So basically cannot see the drive. So normally you put the drivers, but in this case it's BIOS settings, and I'll show you that. So we've logged back in, and this is the BIOS. So you need to go to advanced or press F7, then advanced again, then you go to scroll down to VMD setup menu. So click there, and then you disable this setting, and disable, ignore that message, and then F10 menu, just F10.
Sorry, this person can't answer at the moment, so
Yep.
please either
And save and exit. So now we boot back up. This is Windows 11, by the way. It should be the same process with Windows 10 and any other one that's having the driver issue. And here the driver is showing here, so you can install your OS as normal. And that's it.